In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Whether you're managing many clients or just a few, knowing how to effectively set up user roles is essential for smooth operations. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. Once you're there, head over to the official QuickBooks website by typing in quickbooks.intuit.com in your address bar. This is where you'll have access to the tools you need. Now that you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online Accountant. Enter your credentials carefully to access your accountant dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your clients efficiently. Remember, it's crucial to keep your login information secure to protect your client data. Once logged in, direct your attention to your client list. You'll need to select the client's company for which you want to set up user roles. Click on the appropriate company and you'll be taken to its specific dashboard. This ensures you're making changes to the right set of books. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu, which gives you access to a variety of management features. Finding the right setting is the key to configuring user roles correctly. From this menu, you'll see the Your Company section. Within this section, choose Manage Users. This is where all the magic happens. It's your centralized location for creating, adjusting, and overseeing user access. Now, it's time to add a new user. You'll see an Add User button, so go ahead and click that. This action initiates the process of bringing someone new onto the team or changing their access levels. As you add a user, you'll need to select the user type. QuickBooks offers several options tailored to different roles. You can choose a standard user, which allows you to customize their access, a company admin for full access, a reports only user for someone who needs data but not editing capabilities, or time tracking only, which is ideal for users who need to track time without accessing full financial information. For a standard user, you'll specify what areas they are allowed to access. This might include sales, expenses, or even payroll, depending on what they need to do their job effectively. Crafting the right permissions is important to ensure they have access to what they need. Nothing more, nothing less. After setting permissions, input the user's name and email address. This information is essential for sending them an invitation to access the system. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any login issues. Once everything looks good, click Save or Send Invitation. The user will receive an email prompting them to join the QuickBooks environment. This helps streamline your process as the user can easily set up their access through the email link. Lastly, know that you have the flexibility to review and edit these roles anytime. Simply return to the Manage Users section whenever adjustments are needed. This ensures that as your company grows and changes, so can your user access settings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Now you're equipped to handle user management with confidence. Thanks for watching and see you in our next tutorial.